When it comes to the auto insurance, the term full coverage can be misleading. Many drivers want to know if full coverage is actually worth having. First off, understand that auto insurance can be divided into coverage for you and coverage for the other party involved in an accident. Collision covers you and liability covers them. If your collision coverage equals the cost of your car, then your car will be replaced if you're in an accident. If your liability coverage equals the cost of your car you hit, you're covered again. But if your coverage amounts are less than the cost of your car or the car you hit, you'll have to pay the difference out of pocket. There are additional costs to consider as well. The cost of injuries and medical bills, rental cars, and of lost work time. Even if your policy says full coverage, it might not cover these things. The best way to be sure you're completely covered against loss is to sit down with an insurance agent and craft a policy that meets your needs.